you believe it? I'm here in San Francisco where it all started. Right down here, the street down the block is the Tenderloin, where the enemy had me on a chokehold, sleeping on cardboard boxes, lost in the sauce and just degrading myself out there smoking crack, looking at kibbles on the floor and people throwing me change because I was so pitiful. But look at me now through the grace of God, standing here on Powell Street by the cable carts in San Francisco, where the chokehold is released and the grace of God is abundant in my life. It is not just now, but it's an abundant love that God has bestowed upon my life. I'm so excited that I'm back out here promoting my book, Is There Beauty in a Crow, right back where it all started, giving the devil a slap in the face, a knock in the nose, you understand me, letting him know that he can't hold me down, he won't hold me down, he can't hold me down. That's grace. That's an abundance of grace.
Hi, this is Jose Calderon, the author of Is There Beauty in a Crow? Right behind me is Glide Memorial, a place where they feed thousands of homeless people, of which I was one. I used to walk these streets after a crack binge with no money in my pocket because I've wasted all on crack, living in cardboard boxes, and I would feast out of these places hungry because I was broke and I had no place to go and nothing to eat. And today I am a part of the giving. I'm part of the living. I am here now sharing my testimony, walking upon anybody that would hear me and let them know that I once was just like you, just like this, just like nowhere. But today I am found. Today I am restored. Today I am renewed. I am so thankful for the grace of God that it was able to do something special in my life. And today I am truly restored. It's a miracle, truly. I no longer need to feed off them. I feed off the word of God, not just physically in my body, but mentally. I am renewed. I'm restored. It's a great feeling to be a part of something special with the grace of God, to be a part of a calling upon my life. And I just wanted to share that with you.